Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to add different types of lists in HTML. There are two types of lists, ordered list and unordered list. Ordered lists have a sequence. This sequence can be 1, 2, 3 and so on, or it could be A, B, C and so on. Whereas unordered lists have no sequence. They're more like bullet points. Let's try an example to understand these better. For ordered list, the HTML tag is angle brackets OL. Let's try that. So angle brackets OL, and it needs a closing tag. So we've added that as well. To add a list item, we use another HTML tag, angle brackets LI. So this represents a list item. Let's create a list of planets in our solar system. Let's give this a heading first. Let's say H1. So planets in solar system. All right. So the first one is Mercury. Second is Venus. Then we've got Earth, Mars, and then we've got Jupiter. Then we've got Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. All right, let's save this and run our live server. So right click, open with live server. And now as you can see, we've got a heading, planets in solar system, and we've got a list, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and so on. And as you can see, the sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a default sequence. By default, it's the numbers, but we can change this. So ordered list has an attribute type. We can use this attribute to change sequence style. Let's try it. So here, type. So by default it's 1. We can have it alphabets, capital A. So let's save it. Let's bring this up. So as you can see now, our list is ABCD onwards. Let's just copy this, comment this. By the way, this comment means whatever is inside the comment is not rendered on the web page. So you can write your description, what you're doing. You can write comments to understand your code better. All right, so let's paste it again. So instead of capital A, let's use small a. Let's save it. And as you can see again, so our list goes from small a, small b, c, d, etc. Let's comment this as well. We can try capital I. So this represents Roman numerals. So if you save it, as you can see, we've got Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, and so on. Let's comment this. Let's use small I. So this represents lowercase Roman numerals. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. All right. So let's just add some comments here. So this is alphabetical list. Then we've got lowercase alphabetical list. Sorry. Then we've got Roman numeral list. And then we've got lowercase Roman numeral list. All right. So that's all for ordered list. Let's just comment this. So for unordered list, the HTML tag is UL. So all we got to do is let's just remove this type attribute, and instead of OL, it will be UL. So unordered list. Let's save it. And now as you can see, we've got these bullets. So these are the default, these are called disks. We can change this as well. So CSS provides us with another attribute, list style type. Let's try it. So to use CSS, we use this style attribute, and then we mention what we're looking for. So list style type. Here, so disk is by default. So if you write disk and save it, nothing will change. We will still have disk. We can change it to circle, save it. And now as you can see, we've got these circular rings. So let's just write this. Circular ring list. Let's just copy this and comment it. Similarly, we have another value. We can have it as square. So when you save it, so it shows you as square. Let's write a comment here. It's a square list. We've got another option, none. So what it does is it removes all these different styles, disk, circle, and nothing is visible, just plain list. Let's try that. Let's save it. And now as you can see, all those bullet points are gone. It's just a normal list. That's all for today, guys. If there's something that you did not understand, feel free to drop a comment and we will discuss it. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.